Yo, what's going on guys? If you don't know me already, my name is Yona Night Wisdom. I'm a Jamaican diver here at the Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, Australia. So I'm back in my room in the village, fresh out of my 1 meter prelim. Let's cut to that right now.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no freaking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm torn, and somebody should have told her I pop one. Yeah, I pop one. Oh girl, I pop one. Yeah, I pop one. You like clubs and I got that drink. It could be purple, it could be pink. Man in the night, you mix that bitch. Money never got till we get that bitch. And I'm on one, yeah. You know I'm on one, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yes, oh yeah. Oh yeah,
So it was a really solid prelim for me. I finished second overall with a score of 368 points. Next up is the final, which is starting about 7 this evening. So right now, let's have a look at the time. It is 3 minutes to 3 o'clock right now. So I've got an hour and 45 minutes until I need to get the bus back to the pool for my training session to get ready for the final. Whilst I'm back here, I've just had lunch. I'm just chilling out a little bit, resting my legs, resting my eyes as well, and also doing a little bit of vlogging because that's what I do now. So let's see how the final goes. It's frustrating for sure. That's where I could have been, but you know, there was a lot less in the tank. I could have done a little bit better on every single dive, but you know, to finish 4th is great because it's actually an improvement on what I did last time. But yeah, 4th is the worst position to finish, it really is. And I thought that 1 meter was a really great chance to get a medal, and I was very close, but you know, onwards and upwards. I move on to 3 meters tomorrow, and I've just got to bring more there. It's all lessons at the end of the day. It's all the journey on the road to Tokyo 2020. That's my goal. So yeah, moving forward on to 3 meters tomorrow.